Okay, so these are the options for cooking with the MEC clay pots. Over here, that's the Norpro, and that's the ceramic stove, and so there's difficulties with anything else but that. I tried the Simmermat, but it didn't work too well, so then I got one of these at a cooking store, and I really like this because this house obviously doesn't have gas, and you know, that sucks. So this is what I got. So these are your two cooking options if you have a stove like this, and this is the medium pot. This is the large pan. I'll be making more videos in the future just so you can know more about them before you buy them, but highly recommended.